All right, back with some more simple meals. I'm gonna do two different variations of this. One is gonna be more of our higher carb day where we're eating more carbs. The other one's gonna be our lower carb day where we're not as active, so we're not eating as many carbs. But again, both of these are gonna be made with venison. So I got ground venison, and then we're gonna just mix them in with some veggies and other ingredients. So one day we're just gonna be doing broccoli. We're gonna go broccoli. Got the dump of water out. Broccoli. Should be good. And we're gonna throw in potato. So again, potatoes already cooked up. Put in that potato, and we're gonna do it with our venison. So I'll get this over here. Proving that meal prep, cooking, eating well doesn't have to be crazy hard, crazy insane. There's one. We'll add probably add some sauce once we go to eat it, but we're not eating it today, so again, we're just throwing it out. Again, this next one, instead of broccoli, we're switching up, we're going Brussels sprouts. So again, simple way to change things up, add a new vegetable. On Brussels sprouts, we're going to throw in some avocado. I'm having trouble opening these bags today. We want avocado. We'll get our venison in here. We got our venison, and we're going to throw in some feta cheese. Feta might be my favorite kind of cheese, besides cutting the cheese. Bad joke. All right, so we're throwing some feta, and then again, we're not going to eat this today, so we'll let that. Again, you can add sauces, you can add spices. With those two simple meals with similar ingredients but just slight differences is the way to change it up. So again, eating well can be simple.